Hey, welcome everyone. This is Tech I Want, where we'll discover the latest innovations that we discover on crowdfunding like Kickstarter and Indiegogo. I'm Daniel.
And my name's Rafi.
Today we're looking at PomaBrush, a full silicone body toothbrush. It's electric, it has charge for 4 months.
We were just joking before we started filming that, tech can be many different things. Even tech can be found in the simplest of products, which today it's going to be a toothbrush. And it's kind of crazy to think about how much the toothbrush has evolved throughout the years.
Yeah, it's come a long way. And you might not think of it as tech, but there's tech in pretty much everything we use nowadays. And with something as simple as a toothbrush, that you're brushing your teeth 2 times, 3 times a day, why don't you want it to be the best?
According to my dentist, I should be brushing 2, maybe 3 times a day. I've even heard after every meal. But basically, my dentist is not happy with me. Hopefully, with the PomaBrush, things can change.
This is the box. This is how it comes. You'd expect this to be some kind of Apple product. If it didn't say PomaBrush right there on the box, you'd be like, oh, I got a new iPhone for Christmas.
Right, super sleek.
So yeah, man, they've worked on this packaging. Ooh, nice. Nice little oval case, very compact, very sleek. It's not silicone, it's hard plastic.
Yeah, and the name is engraved right there on the box itself.
Yeah, very nice, shiny.
And then what is that? Is that a charger down at the bottom?
Yeah, what else is this in this box? USB-C charger.
Uh-huh.
I guess this plugs in here.
Mm-hmm.
I'll throw this one away as well. Got tons of USB cables. We don't really need more of those either.
What are you doing? What are you doing? No, what are you doing?
But this is what interests us. The PomaBrush. In its case, you want to open it?
I would love to. Okay, so.
My hands are a little weak. I can't beat the magnets.
All right. One of the most satisfying parts about this is that snap right there. I think there's like a magnet inside of the box itself, and so it's got a very satisfying click every time you open it up.
Very hot. Have you noticed a lot of crowdfunding products come with magnets? There were USB cables that clip magnetically back together.
I kind of almost closed the product. The magnet takes care of the rest, right? So please add magnets to everything. And inside is this, very cool, very kind of soft to the touch silicone toothbrush.
Yeah, you can see it. It's like it's matte.
No light is reflecting off of the toothbrush. Another innovation in technology. And even the bristles themselves are a piece of silicone. It seems like a seamless piece of silicone.
I don't even know what that means. What is a silicone toothbrush?
You got it in your hands. Tell us what you think.
Have you ever felt one of these before?
A silicone toothbrush? Never.
Me neither.
Never. This is the first of its kind, at least in my hands.
Sometimes, every now and again, you get those silicone bristles in between the nylon bristles.
If you buy the expensive toothbrushes.
Yeah, I've never had a full silicone head. This is soft.
Yeah.
This feels great to hold. And those big, bulky electric toothbrushes that the dentists always recommend. You need to use an electric toothbrush. Feels like you're holding a weapon in your hand.
Right.
Right.
Or some medical grade equipment.
It's about the size of this case.
Yeah.
This is a regular electric toothbrush.
Right.
Compare.
No, dude, you hit it right on the head right there, because I think that is the primary difference, because we have many different toothbrushes out there, many different options. You have your normal toothbrush, which is the same size as this one here. You also have your electric toothbrushes, your more conventional ones, or even toothpicks, water toothpicks, and they are, just like Danny said, just like this.
These guys found the perfect balance.
Yeah, this is something in between, because it has all the benefits of an electric toothbrush, but it's got the size, weight, and heft of a regular toothbrush. I don't need a separate carry-on to take the toothbrush, the electric toothbrush. This one is pretty small, simple, and compact.
So it's your wireless charging case as well. And right now this is on 2 bars out of 3. You'd think like, oh, I can use that for maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Nah, this toothbrush, you want to guess how long you can use it for?
Well, I know the answer. The answer is you can use it for 4 months.
Yeah.
One charge, 4 months.
The toothbrush itself holds a charge for 1 month. But that's impressive. When you think that the toothbrushes this size hold a charge for a week, 10 days, 2 weeks at most, this toothbrush holds a charge for a month. And I mean, you're into hiking. You like your ultralight stuff.
I do.
And I mean, people in this ultralight hiking scene, they're nuts. They'll chop their toothbrushes in half.
Guilty. I have done that, yeah.
To save what, 10 grams?
Yeah. What? Yeah. I know I should be counting it. I know that the practice is beneficial in some way, but yeah, I'm just shaving off a gram or so.
Yeah.
Is this removable?
Yeah, they're replaceable heads. I think they come to...
Can I just force it off, or is it gonna break?
I don't know. Try it out. Maybe it's a twist.
Dude, I feel nervous here.
I guess it has to stay in place. You want me to give it a try?
Yeah, sure.
Just pull it.
Ah, you know what? I'm betting it doesn't come off. But I bet that loose connection is to allow it to vibrate.
No.
No? Turn it on, dude.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
There you go.
You broke it.
PomaBrush. This is fully waterproof. You can throw this into the sink. You can use it in the bath. You can use it underwater if you are so inclined to brush your teeth underwater. But yeah, I'm on board with cleaning my teeth with PomaBrush.
And you've got options, from what I understand. It's
Yeah.
not just the black one. It comes in multiple different colors.
Yeah, it comes in multiple colors.
I think we have a blue one here on set somewhere.
We do. Same sleek case. We've switched out the black PomaBrush for the blue one, so you know what you're getting. These aren't. Ooh, nice.
Ooh,
wow.
yeah.
I didn't expect that.
No, that's new.
Yeah. I
So
kind of thought, they've thought this through. It's not just about the external packaging. It's about more than that. They've gone the extra mile and designed the whole case to look like it. Again, you want to toss this one?
I would love to. USB cable.
Don't need those. Yeah, same case. Although, if you look at their Indiegogo campaign, they have these really cool silicone case covers. Same material, feels just as great in your hand, and it protects your case as well from falls, from drops. Although I think...
How come we don't have that? So is that an upgrade that you can get?
Yeah, that's a add-on that you can get on Indiegogo now. But let's open it up. Again, same satisfying magnetic click that would come to expect from the Poma case. Ooh, and that's nice. That's electric blue. Very bright.
How many different colors are there?
Yeah, let's check it out. So yeah, besides this black and this blue one, PomaBrush also comes in white, like the case, but it's still silicone. Or coral. Burnt coral, I think they called it. And PomaBrush also comes in this premium carbon edition, which besides being the black PomaBrush, the case, the actual case, without the silicone cover, is fully matte black as well. Yeah, I'm not the biggest fan of electric toothbrushes. I kind of got used to my showering with my manual, waterproof, regular old toothbrush. But now that I know I can shower with this, I'm gonna use it. This was a PomaBrush, and this is Tech I Want. I'm Daniel.
I'm Rafi. Make sure to give us a big thumbs up.
Let us know in the comments what you thought.
Subscribe.
And hit that bell. And until next time.
We're out. Bye-bye.
Yeah, this was nice. PomaBrush.